Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Early Learners. I am Neha and I am here to give you a message. So kindly listen to it so that you and your child can be benefited through it. We usually face problem to teach our kids the language, a new language, that is English. So what can we do to improve their reading? This is the initiative which I have taken through my videos so that your child can read. And through my videos, you will see how I taught my daughter to read. So I hope my videos will help you through this journey when you are at your home with your kids, teaching them and learning also along with them. Any language can only be learned through four components: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. That means if we want our child to learn a new language, it can be any language. I take English here. So we need to make them listen, speak, read, and write in English. It can be through audios, it can be through videos, through cartoons, through movies, through songs. It can be through any medium, through games, right? So then only we can expect our child to learn a new language perfectly. And now let's come to the recognition part. Recognition of letters is not easy for such a young child. These letters are just symbols. We know them that this is letter A, B, C because we are adults and we have learnt it. But when we go up to their stage at the age of 3, that is the foundational stage, it is really difficult to learn 26 letters. These are sheer symbols for these kids. If I'll write a new language in front of you, let's take Chinese, you will not be able to recognize, you will not be able to read. Why? Because it's a kind of symbols that are in front of us and we are not aware of those symbols. That's why we cannot read. We cannot even recognize what is written. Same as the English language, which is new to the kids for such a young kid, is a kind of symbol. These letters are only symbols. We have given them names, we have given them shapes, and now we call them A, B, C. And we expect our child to learn 26 letters at a very good pace. That's not possible. They will learn. So please don't bother, don't panic if your child is not learning or learning at a slow pace. Right? You can make him learn through games, different games. I will come up with different games as well. How can you make your child learn and recognize those letters? Okay? Do make them learn phonic sounds. I have taken up this video. You can take these phonic sounds because students are very much familiar with the sounds, right? And the actions. Don't forget to do the actions. Repetition is must for these young kids. Okay, so do repeat all these actions and the sounds so that your child can learn at least the sounds, the actions, and then come to the recognition part at the age of 3. So at least at the age of 2.5, you can make them learn phonic sounds. After that, you can make them recognize these symbols, the letters. Okay. And after that, the third step would be to form the words. Right? And try to make them learn these small alphabets first. Why? Because you will mostly see small letters in our print media. Wherever you will see small letters, mostly small letters in our print media, in our surroundings, wherever you will go. Even you take a wrapper, on that also you will find few capital alphabets. Out of 100 alphabets, I would say 80% or 85% alphabets would be smaller ones. So try to make them learn small letters first so that they can read. The purpose of recognizing the writing, the speaking these letters is only to read. And if we will go through a particular step, through a correct step, we can make them read easily. I will tell you in my upcoming videos how to make your child learn, recognize, learn, speak, and write. Okay, so do follow my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want your child to learn reading. This is a kind of series which I have started, and I will be taking up this series for the young kids to make them read. Thank you.